Hey friends, so I need your help. Got a little design dilemma. I have purchased some removable wallpaper. And it's a navy constellation. I know it's hard to see in the tube, so I'll put a picture up here. From Pottery Barn. They do not have it at Pottery Barn anymore, so if you like it, I actually found the designer. I found them on Amazon, so I put the link in my profile if you're interested. But I'm thinking about using this on my bookcase, so I need your help though with some colors. Okay, look at this. We got some good stuff. Getting ready to paint. Having a little date afternoon at the Home Depot. So we brought our little wallpaper with us, but when we got that color matched, the sheen of it, I think, kind of threw it off. So we ended up getting a very purple paint. So instead, we found this one, which I know looking in the light, this one looks a little bit darker, or a little bit more blue. But we think up on the wall, it's gonna work out a whole lot better than the super purple choice. We'll see. We got a date afternoon at the Home Depot. This is what our dates consist of now. Trips to the Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever we need to go to get stuff to finish our den. Okay, so why are we having to cut all these down?
There's a lumber shortage, and you're not going to find a lot of the stock dimensions that you want. They're sending bulk lumber, so you're going to find 16-foot pieces. So a lot of times you're going to have to cut what you want, unless you have a 16-foot long roof rack or truck bed.
We might end up taking flight as we drive down the road.
Exactly. So we're just going to cut it, and I'll miter it in longer lengths.
Perfect. So for those of you who are really curious what we're using, we are getting the 713 ranch molding because our house is a ranch and we want it to be, you know, did you say matchy-matchy? We don't want it to be matchy-matchy, but we do want it to make sense to the time period in which our house was built because we really like mid-century modern, and so why not embrace it? He's sawing right now. But anybody else love the smell of the wood department in Home Depot? I don't know if it's because it reminds me of our early married years where we spent so much time here, but I love the smell. Very nostalgic. All right, so we have our wall color. We have our bookcase color. We've got some rollers. We've got some silicone caulk. And we've got our trim, or our base molding, right, sweetie?
Yes.
So we're good to go.
They're out of shoe molding.
Yeah, we have to go somewhere else for shoe molding. That's kind of been what's been happening with all of our trips.
Take lots of field
Yeah, you have to. I mean, you really have to go all over the place just to find what you need. That's okay. Okay, so we have. They had our base molding. They had, quit laughing. There's something spray painted on the wall. Corey was like, I hope you did not get that on your video. I hope not either. If I did, I'll be removing it. Anyway, we got all of our stuff that they have, at least. But thank you, pandemic. There's definitely a shortage. I don't know that we've ever just been able to go to one place to get what we need, but that's okay. Just an adventure.
Good. There you go. Ready? Get. Do it like that. Yeah, very good.
The opening has been trimmed up. The bookcases have been mostly emptied, although things keep getting back on them. We've pulled up all the baseboards. We have patched holes. We've taken down, well, you can see. We've gotten a lot done in here. Once all of this dries, we're gonna sand, and then this week's project, we're going to be painting this room finally. And then we will begin bringing everything back in. So once we finish painting, we're gonna be able to move things back in, and then we have really the decorating. Now, we do have a few projects that will be, part of the decor, but that's it. The major things will be done after this week, which is very exciting.